Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to export your voice messages from personal chats on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to back up or access your saved voice notes outside of Telegram, this process will show you exactly how it's done. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings section, scroll until you find the option named Advanced. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up more detailed features that Telegram offers for managing your account. Now, scroll down until you see a section called Export Telegram Data. This is where you'll be able to create a downloadable copy of your chats and files. Click on it to begin. Telegram will now give you a list of options on what type of data you'd like to export. Since we want voice messages from personal chats only, start by checking Personal Chats. This ensures only conversations with individuals are included, no groups or channels. Next, scroll further to find the Voice Messages option. Make sure to check this box, as it will specifically include only the audio notes you've exchanged. Once the right options are selected, click the Export button at the bottom. Telegram will now prepare your data. Depending on how many voice messages you have, this may take a little time. When the export process is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and Telegram will open the folder on your computer where the exported files are saved. Inside that folder, you'll find your voice messages neatly organized and ready to use outside of Telegram, whether for backup, personal use, or transferring to another device. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can export and access your voice messages from personal chats on Telegram right from your PC. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to save these steps for the next time you need to export your data.